So what are the symptoms of PSA? So typically, after the onset of psoriasis, after about 5 to 10 years, some people can develop joint pain, okay, as a symptom start. But in about 15% of patients, actually, it happens the other way around. So the arthritis can actually happen before the psoriasis. And in terms of if you look at patients with just psoriasis, the literature say about 20 to 40% actually develop some sort of joint pain or back pain. So not everybody gets it when they have psoriasis. Symptoms include obviously pain in the joints, but the pain is quite classical of inflammation. So there is swelling, there is stiffness, particularly in the mornings when you wake up or if you've been inactive for a while. And some people can have stiffness for half an hour, but some people actually say they're stiff all day long, on and off. Similarly, if they have inflammation of the spine, so they have spondylitis or spondyloarthropathy, they can have pain or stiffness in their neck, their back, as well as their bottom because of those sacroiliac joints. In the fingers and toes, you may notice some of these symptoms in yourselves. The toes and the fingers swell up like little sausages, so the dactylitis, and that can be very painful as well. In the nails, so you can get these nail pits and onycholysis, so the pictures I showed you earlier. With inflammation in PSA, it doesn't just end in the joints. It can actually happen elsewhere. So sometimes you can get it in the eyes, so that's called uveitis, or in the bowel, called inflammatory bowel disease. So some people get lots of tummy pain, diarrhea, weight loss, and sometimes some blood in the stools as well. And because of all the inflammation, patients can just feel very tired, and they may lose weight as well because they're not eating as well. So there's just general other symptoms that kind of give us clues of whether or not there is inflammation. And in advanced conditions or in aggressive conditions, you can actually see that when the joints become damaged and crooked and the fingers become shortened or bent, or the back is bent with stiffness.